Welcome to the podcast. Nico here with Mario and Graham. And this is a coaching disaster. And nakita nyo naman sa ating thumbnail na it's Coach Chito. And I didn't think, idediretso na natin to I didn't think that he would play Rafi Rives in back-to-back games, in crucial moments. And sadly kay Tito Rafi, he was, I think, the main reason why na Kelly Williams was able to nail those two free throws and ultimately get settle the game for TNT. Kayo, aside from that play, no, do you think this is the last time we're gonna see Chito Victolero based sa
Yes.
ginawa niya in these playoffs, mga decision making rather,
Technically, he should have been out of here maybe a lot of Magnolia
a few
fans will
years
say.
ago?
A lot of Magnolia fans will say he should have been gone years ago, man.
Mhm.
And if at this point, hindi mo pa rin nagigets na it might be a coaching problem,
Mhm.
I don't know what you else you can do kung ikaw yung Magnolia, man. Like, if I'm being so dead ass. Kasi, putek, bro, you lost this game twice. You lost game
Mhm.
one,
The same
the
way.
same way you lost game two.
The
I
same way nga.
with the same player, ha? Kelly Williams pa rin. It was Kelly Williams both times. It was an offensive rebound both times when you had Rafi Reeves trying to get the rebound. And let's not blame Tito Rafi for that. But guys,
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. It's
he's 50.
47,
Oh yeah,
47,
sorry,
40, yeah,
almost
close to
50.
50.
Yeah, he shouldn't really be playing in those moments na talaga. Everybody knows that.
I
But
think he knows na parang, oh
yeah,
shit, I don't
yeah,
not the right
and
guy for
then
this.
the second part is that's two games in a row where your last play was absolute dog shit. Like, pardon my language. Yeah. But
Mm.
man, game one, the Lucero jumper, which he didn't even
Wait,
did he
jump.
even,
Attempt.
yeah,
Wait,
he just
jump.
jumped.
Fumbled.
Yeah,
He
he just jumped.
fumbled the ball.
Exactly, look at him. Just jump. Yeah, he just jumped. And then in game two, the pass to the middle of nowhere, which was everybody knew it was going there. It makes no sense. Medyo, I don't know, man. If you're the Magnolia franchise, if you're SMC, maybe try somebody out now for Magnolia. I don't know, guys. It can't just be lack of talent. You have Zave, you have Will, you have Mark Baroka, who's defying gravity at this point.
Jerome
Um,
Lastimosa, who continues to get
Jerome,
better. Mm.
exactly. Ian Sanggalang turned back
Legit.
the clock. Right.
Galing pa rin naman talaga
And
si Ian Sanggalang though. I believe pa
yeah,
ako kay Ian Sanggalang.
and and no offense, man. Pero most of the offense of Magnolia was, hey, Rome De La Rosa. Maybe you should make a play for us. I don't
Maybe he
see
should
it.
make a play for us.
I don't understand it. I don't understand it. And this is it's so hard to defend the intro boy tagline
Yeah, hindi
when
na talaga
how
maris.
many times, man?
I think four times they have gotten the twice to beat.
Twice to beat.
Four
Yeah.
times na sila. Most in PBA ata.
Most in PBA history.
Most
That's
in
right.
PBA history na na-fumble
I
nila
don't
yung
know
twice to beat.
if I'm right, but the last time was the Gary David game when they were still called the Bibig Lamatos.
Oh, it's been a
That's the
while.
most memorable one eh. Kasi talagang yun yung upset of the decade eh, diba? But I'm gonna say this. When I was learning driving, yung unang liko ko, di ba the rule is kailangan lumampas na yung unang gulong mo sa gutter, then you make your turn. Di ba?
Yes.
Then,
Technicalities tayo
unang
dito.
liko
Ah.
ko, yeah, yung
Okay.
unang liko ko, hindi ako lumampas sa gutter.
Uh,
Lumiko agad ako. So, sumampa ako ng konti. So, I made the adjustment na parang, o sige, lalampas ko na yung gulong ko para hindi ako umakyat.
okay,
What Coach
okay.
Gito did was, yung gulong niya, hindi pa lumalampas sa gutter, lumiko siya. The next time he did it, he did the same thing. Bro, how can you, when you make mistakes in life, you learn from it. You do not repeat the same mistake in a span
Smart.
of 48 hours?
For two
72
days lang.
hours?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Two
72
days.
hours, right?
Oh.
From
Even
Wednesday.
less kasi second game sila nung Wednesday.
That's
Oo nga
right.
pala.
And what's crazy about this is, and hindi tayo nagmamarunong, but it's all over Facebook. It's all over social media.
Come on.
Guys, if you, if you're a coach, that the thing that bothers you the most are the mistakes that you made in the game. Bro, hindi ba yun, ikaw si Coach Chito bago ka pumikit, Wednesday evening, Thursday evening, Friday evening, kung nag-power nap ka in the afternoon today, hindi pa lang ba naisip na maybe I shouldn't put Robbie Rivas in situations that matter most. Come on, man.
Maybe na. Maybe I should do it one more time.
Hmm?
Kung si Kelly Williams kaya niya pa, maybe our Rafi Rivas could still do it. Kaya pa niya.
Guys, sobrang pangit ka nung tinira nung TNT nung una. Wasn't it like a fadeaway mid-ranger ata si Pogoy ata yun? Or I forgot what it was. And and you still didn't get the rebound. It's the same
That's
play.
right.
Is
No, it was heading, the 4-point shot ni heading, di ba?
ayun yung
Ill-advised
4 point
nga
ni
eh.
heading. Yun.
Four-pointer heading.
Yeah. Like, does James Laput not have hands? Or
Exactly, man.
1 minute lang nilaro ni James Lapot. 1 minute 48.
Bro,
yes, the whole thing of Magnolia was, shit, man, we're bigger than TNT somehow. And nah, man, let's keep running these small ball lineups. Go Zave, go Will, and then when we need a big man, James, fuck off, dude.
Hindi ka namin kailangan. In the Philippine Cup, ha? Philippine Cup, James Lapot. Hindi ka namin kailangan.
Dude,
tapos,
Anong meron?
and then nung yung last play, why on earth would you throw the ball in the middle of the court? Like, alam mo yung parang sa football, yung
Gitnang-gitna yan,
quarterback,
pa.
yung quarterback itatapon niya dun sa court kasi, oh, my tight end is there pero surrounded by 5 players. But he is there. He's gonna catch it.
somewhere
Ano ba
there.
play doon? May magpa-flash ba dapat sa gitna? I was waiting for someone to
So
flash.
I
Bigla,
think
diretso sa...
because of the switches, si Sangala nga the mismatch. Which is the right
Magalang din
thing.
have a mismatch.
Pero pipilit
Which is
mo
the
pa
right
rin.
thing to do in the middle of the second quarter. Not when you need to win the game. Grabe naman yun.
Isa pa to ha. Add ko lang dun sa last play na yun. Paul Lee was 1 for what? 1 for something
Wait
today.
lang. Paul
Bro,
Lee
he was
was
James
1 for
Harden,
3.
right? One
1 for
One
3.
for
Di na
three.
natin.
Had 4 points the whole
Ayun
game.
tumira.
Tapos sabi ni Coach Chito, oh man, let's sub Paul Lee back in the game. Ice cold from the bench. Of course he's gonna be a decoy, man. Everybody knows he's going to
He's
be the
gonna be a
decoy.
dick.
Yes, and this is gusto ko lang i-reiterate yung sinabi ni Graham. Yung di kami nagmamarunong. Guys, this is what Graham said. One of the first things Graham ever said when I met him, which has stuck to me until now. You
Mm.
don't need to be a chef to know when your food is shit.
That's right.
Graham said that. Guys, we don't need to be PBA coaches to know what we see with our eyes as, yo, man, you have the talent. 'Di ba? Alam naman nating lahat, they have the talent eh. But now what? And yan tuloy, nayabangan ka tuloy ni The Beast pati ni Balanza. Like,
Grabe yun, no?
Nag-video call, di ba?
Nakagaroon si Balanza, si The Beast.
yan tuloy.
That's
Like,
right.
it deserved, man.
Pero to be
Kasi
honest,
talaga.
hindi naman magagamit si Jeric Balanza dito sa Magnolia to if he was, hindi rin. So
Again,
para is
by
the
the way,
last guy na dapat Si Abueva
by the
pwede pa
way,
eh. Pero si Jeric, come on, man. Hindi
Bro,
ka
no, for
Graham
the
said,
second straight game, if Abueva was there, kukunin ni Calvin yung bola na yun, whatever
I
happens,
felt like it
bro.
would have been finished at game 1 if Calvin was there. He could have made a
Calvin is,
difference.
bro, yung
Or
pa
baka
eh,
si
no,
Rafi Rivas pa rin nilalabas si Coach Chito. He won't care.
yeah. Mid-conference, bro, you make a move like that when you're 7-1. You're a crazy team if you do that. And by the way, yung ginawa niya kay Paulie, alam mo yung ginawa ni Coach Phil Jackson kay Sasha
Vujacic.
Vujacic, Game 7
Mm.
against the Lakers. Parang, oh, you're cold but you need someone. So, tayo
Shooter ka, di ba? Shooter ka, di ba?
Diba?
Sige, pasok ka.
I don't understand
Marunong
this.
ka mag-shoot, di ba? Ano yun?
Pero okay, we've talked about that. Pero we have to be honest din naman. TNT played a hell of a series.
Yes, let's give credit to TNT. Oh, yeah. Boys, ito
A
na.
hell of a
We're giving
series.
credit to full
We're
TNT
giving the
here.
credit. I'm giving the credit absolutely to TNT.
Galing ng TNT.
I doubted them when Jason Castro got injured last conference and they beat Ginebra. I doubted them when Reynam Batak went down with an injury and they just beat Magnolia. I'm gonna be completely honest. I'm gonna give my props to TNT. These guys have figured out every single time how to
Yeah.
fucking win, right? They figured it
That's
out every single time. It could be RR, it could be Calvin, it could be today. It was, I think, Boy Eram who
Boy,
Boy had a big game today for me.
he was
Like,
composed. Hindi siya
yeah,
He was really composed the whole game.
but then it's hard to defend Xavier Lucero and Will Navarro.
Exactly.
Especially
with
Oh.
the size, di ba?
with his size, di ba? Exactly. Ayun, you have to give credit to Kelly Williams. 2 games in a row, balls of steel hitting free throws like that. But let's be somewhat honest. I think if Kelly doesn't make one free throw in game 1, I think Magnolia either wins at the buzzer or win in overtime. Okay, kasi the momentum was theirs eh. In
Oh.
game 2, in game two, if Kelly doesn't make both free throws, I still believe the same thing. Magnolia had a chance to win that game. And they still technically had a chance. They just threw it away. It makes no sense. But then,
Oh.
ayun,
That is
full
true.
credit to TNT. Full credit to Coach Chot Reyes, man.
I was
This
about to
guy,
go to him.
right? You can go with that, Graham. I'm tired.
No, I was just saying na one of our friends, Nico, si William Go, who's a diehard Ginebra fan and bleeds green for De La Salle for life. He said na sana mag-grants namin TNT for people to get off of Coach Shots back.
Yeah.
They will not stop.
Actually, they were
They
not
will
stopped.
not
Pero at
stop.
least
It
kukunti
will
ng
always
onti,
be there.
matatanggal
Guys,
ng onti yung haters.
that's right.
Matatanggal ng
People have
onti.
to. Coach Shot may not be the best Gilas coach anymore, but he's probably the best.
One of the best.
One
He's
one of
one
the
of the
best,
best
not the
Gilas
best, one of
coaches
the
we
best.
have had. He's not the best. I agree with that, but he's one of the greatest coaches we've ever had, both in the PBA and dito sa Gilas national team natin. This
Mm.
guy can coach. This guy's an intelligent person on the basketball courts. Yes, his antics may be annoying at times, especially sa Hinebra fan, di ba? When we meet them three straight two
Yeah.
straight finals, he's annoying at times, but bro, this guy is intelligent. Kudos to him for making the necessary adjustments that he has to make. It
Yeah.
doesn't matter um if this guy if you're a star player, talagang sisigawan ka niya, 'di ba? And
Yeah.
that's the quality of a good coach. He led them to this victory. This is coaching, man. This is coaching. And it's probably not too hard to outcoach Chito Victolero, but Coach
Hey,
Stott
hey,
did.
now. Hey, now.
It's
Hey,
rude
now.
of her.
Hey, now. Watch out.
Patay
You're
ka na
getting too
naman,
real
Grim.
there. You're
Patay
getting
ka
too
na
real
naman.
there.
You're getting
Man,
Yeah.
what we were saying, one last thing that I'll let you guys go is, if TNT gets to the semis, they are the scariest team. They're
Yup.
scarier than San Miguel, and they're scarier than Ginebra, as Sol Mercado missed another three.
Labo.
Another thing I want to add to this Coach Chot thing.
Mm.
Last game, I don't know if you guys noticed, Poy Eram played 13 minutes and
Mm.
BGR was babad, right? Because BGR was having a good game. Today, Poy Eram played in that fourth quarter for most of it. BGR was not there, nowhere to be seen. This
Yeah.
man knows when to, but he knows how to balasa his players. Yan yung thing
Yes.
about Coach Chot, man. He even gave Mike, I think it's Mike or is it Matt? I'm
Mike
not sure.
Nieto.
It was
Mike Nieto.
Mike
Mike
Nieto
Nieto.
who
Mike
was about to
Nieto.
be who was about to be mugged outside of the Ninoy Aquino Stadium
Yes,
if
if
they
they had
don't
lost,
get
if they had lost,
Kung matalo sila dun.
bro, if they had lost, that Mike Nieto was about to be, he's gonna go insane.
Kasi sabi sa
Anyway,
group chat yun, di ba? Si Mike Nieto, patay
yeah,
ito ba? May kung matalo sila dito.
yeah, dude, and in all honesty, Simon Enciso tried to sell that game already for TNT.
He was
Yes.
okay, ah. He played more minutes than Jordan Heading.
Dude, okay, I don't know if you guys noticed this. Jordan looks injured.
Yeah, he looks injured. He looks like he has
He
back
doesn't
His
issues.
look
back,
good.
his
Could be
back tightened
flaring.
up.
Mm.
Yeah, I saw it at the end of the game. I was like, oh shit,
Oh,
Jordan's hurt, man.
maybe the injury is legit.
Now that one that is. Now
Baka, it
that
looks legit na nga. Baka it looks legit na nga.
Yeah.
Akala
Okay,
ko dahil lang sa
we
Converge siya.
apologize,
Oo.
Converge. We apologize. We apologize for saying it was bullshit. That's all.
Pero talo pa rin
Okay.
sila sa trade. Trade.
Yeah, talaga wala nga silang
Trade.
nakuha in return.
Anyway.
The thing I want to say before we close
Oh.
is, as a Ginebra fan and as a guy who's been on this podcast for how many years? 3 years, maybe 2 years.
2 years na tayo nagpa-PBA.
It's probably the only time I'm ever gonna admit that right now I do genuinely respect TNT to the highest degree. Because, man, at first, when they beat Ginebra the first time with RHJ, I was like, sige, okay na yan, man. One time lang naman yan.
Yeah,
Then they
Justin
beat
Valley was
them.
6-0, di ba? And then
Yeah,
he's about to lose. He's due
yeah.
for a loss.
Like, he's due for a loss. Ginebra can't always win. Then they beat them the second time without Jason Castro. You're like, man, they are a really good team. And then they beat Magnolia, who was very much considered maybe a top 3 team in the league this season, without Nambatak and without Castro and without
Bye.
Jay. Man, I have to give my respects. I apologize for thinking that they didn't have a chance in this. I never did that. I never thought that they didn't have a chance, but I did really think Magnolia was gonna take it. But man, TNT has proven me wrong time and time again, and I have no problem admitting that right now.
It's fascinating to me how the number 6 seed gets the yung yung antenna ng top teams up really as
Yeah,
Japet hits
too.
the buzzer beater to take a 2-1 lead against SMB.
Big.
Yung Hinebra and San Miguel, yung mata nila nandyan sa kabilang series. Like,
Mhm.
For sure, oo.
these
Yeah.
two teams will monitor kung ano yung nangyayari dun sa kabilang series because no way, no way that they're going into the finals thinking na this is just the number 6 seed.
Yeah.
This is
Yeah,
the
iba talaga
scariest
eh.
number
Parang
6.
ano eh. At magkakadikit yung mga record kasi ng regular season. Let's not
Well,
forget that,
that's
no?
true sa quotient nga
One loss, one
nagkatalo-talo.
win could have changed the whole
Yeah.
standings. And dito
And
sa ating sa Philippine Cup na to.
BGR played for half the conference.
Mm.
Jordan played for 1/4 of the conference. This is what Graham was saying at this when we started this whole thing. If TNT makes it to the finals, it's because they fixed everything that was wrong with them.
Ang ganun
And that
kabilis. Ganun
yan yung
kabilis.
ayaw mo kung ikaw ay Hinebra fan, kung ikaw ay SMC fan, kung ikaw ay SMC member or whatever. What you did not want was Magnolia, TNT to find how to play basketball again. Now you have to really this time you literally have to run through TNT. It's not easy anymore. Every if you had Magnolia beat them, you're fine. Anybody can win the championship. Now that if you're SMC, everything's serious for you now.
I was telling Nico, and then we can move to the NLEX Ross
Ah,
series if we have to. If Magnolia advanced tonight, yung Manila Clasico series or finals was
would have been alive. Yun
it,
yung ano.
it would have no, it would not only would have been alive. I think it's almost 90% guaranteed. Like the PBA needs the Manila Clasico finals, di ba? And
Yeah.
who's stopping you, rain or shine, di ba? I mean,
Maybe.
no disrespect to Ross, pero I think Magnolia can beat them in a
Mhm.
7-game series. So now that it's gone, buhay pa yung main kalaban ng SMC.
TNT.
So hindi na tuloy yung ano natin, yung 5 black guys and 1 white lady on the couch. So we have to think of another way to describe these semis.
Oh
First
eh.
of all, we should have never described it that way.
Five black guys.
I agree. I agree.
Pag tayo na cancel one dito sa isa sa mga ano at least alam ko kay Graham galing. Wala ako comment diyan. Ngumiti lang kami ni Mario nung sinabi yan. Anyway, Ross against NLEX. But I think kami ni Mario said na if it reaches game 2, it's gonna be NLEX. It's gonna be Ross. So tama nga, ganun nga nangyari. NLEX with a sad to say na it's a classic collapse. Na Mario and I have been following NLEX ever since I was employed by the team. Na meron silang sakit of having leads and then slowly dissipating per quarter. And we saw it again tonight. Nawala yung sistema that we saw during the Philippine Cup ditong season 49 kung saan ikot-ikot yung bola. It became ball-eccentric. And there are a few heroes from Ross like Mike Malonzo who was amazing. I didn't expect Mike Malonzo to a 10-5 and
Yeah.
change how the game was played dito sa game 2. Do or die. Kayo, what do you guys think about Ross in this
For
game,
me,
at least in NLEX?
man, this game was a tale of two magic bunuts. Okay.
Okay.
Ross magic bunut of Mike Malonzo somehow, some way,
Yeah.
ended up changing this game. He had 10 points and 7 rebounds, I think. You don't
5-5.
expect
I think 5 lang ata. Wait, let me check. Sorry.
wala. You
Malonzo,
don't
10 and 5. 10 and 5. 10 and 5.
10-5.
you don't expect that from Mike. That's number one. Number two, NLEX tried to magic bunot Enoch Valdez.
Hindi. Wasn't the
Uh,
boon.
how do
Hindi,
you say
not
this?
today. Not today.
Not today. Wasn't his day today. Hasn't been his day this conference.
Hasn't been his
Uh,
season.
hasn't been his season. And this is not to shit on Enoch. I think Enoch, if he finds a proper team, is actually gonna be quite useful. Because I've seen Enoch on LPU. Pero man, I think there were some mistakes from NLEX's coaching today, no? I don't know about you guys.
Matagal nakaupo si Bolik ng fourth quarter. I think we were all saying
That's
that na 7-8 minutes nakaupo pa siya, 'di ba? 7-8 minutes remaining nakaupo pa rin siya. Kung ako yan, I would bring him back 10 minutes, 11
yeah.
and ride him
Nung
to
nung
the
kumawala
sunset.
yung Ross kaunti, it's time
He
to
was
bring
not
him back.
there. Wala siya sa court nung lumalayo yung lead
That's
ng Ross.
That's
Yeah.
right. And the reason I picked NLEX to win in 2 games is I thought in the second game they have a closer who's Bolik. He closed pero wala siyang kasama. Siya lang yung
Nag-close
nag-show
siya.
up tonight.
Close the game.
Diba?
He
He
closed
really
the
closed the
curtains for
game.
us. Closed the
I
season.
remember, di ba sabi ko sa group chat, down 3 minutes 30 seconds.
Oh.
Down 11. Down 12. Biglang naka 4 points si Bolik. Uy, 8 na lang.
Oo, 8 na lang.
Pwede pa.
Si
Pwede
Cyrus
pa.
Torres.
Nagbaba sa opensa. Biglang nag-foul si Cyrus. Sabi natin, what?
Ano?
Diba?
Why?
Naka-force si Bolik. Let me foul
Yeah,
this guy. I'm
I got
tired.
this, guys. I got this.
yeah,
Out of my way.
exactly.
And
Di
then,
ba? Pinatay mo yung momentum
Coach,
eh.
I got you.
bro, imagine not to make it like sound like NLEX would have won agad if it had happened. Pero, you get
Killed
a
any
stop.
sort of momentum. Any
You get
sort
a
of
stop.
momentum.
You get a stop. Bolik maybe hits another 4. Bolik might take a 3. Bolik might drive to the rim, get fouled, take free throws, cut the lead. Daming pwede mangyari. But no, you decided, nah, man. Let me foul Andre Karakut. I love it.
Di ko
Let's
gets
do it.
ngayon, penalty
Yeah.
na rin eh. Kala ko may foul to give pa eh. Bigla, wala na foul to give.
And that was in the backcourt, right?
Dude,
Backward pa,
they weren't even
pagka-cross
doing
niya.
anything. Yeah.
Pagka-cross
They
niya
were
pala na half
just
court
trying to
yun.
set up. Oh, trying to set up lang sila. Second issue I had with the coaching of NLEX today is, man, I think they overplayed Paulie. I think
Medyo nagkakalat si Paulie. He had a
I think
turnover
Paulie
ng
was
end of the
played.
third. Yung ano to, buzzer beater ni Karakut.
Was a beater Nick Andre.
Yeah.
Exactly.
He had two
And
crucial
then,
turnovers.
yeah, that was a big turnover because if you go down with the ball, even if you don't score, you're up 2
Binato niya
entering.
lang.
Yeah, you're up 2 entering the fourth. Exactly, diba? Tapos, instead, what happened was, Andre hits the 3 and now you're down 1. And he made a few errors as well. He took some contested jumpers, which
Yeah.
don't really understand. And I think there was a bit of a lack of JV Mokon in this game.
Yeah, Mokon he played 32 minutes. Pero he was 4 for 14, Mario. I would say he got contained. Na-contain siya sa paint. Yeah, he played 33 minutes. 9 points,
Did
8 rebounds. Took the second most shots in the team. Pero it's just that a lot of those shots were contested. Yung pag nakukuha niya yung rebound, yung binubunggo niya, pinipilit niya. Hindi lang tumatalbog unlike last game. So,
But what's really noticeable is they didn't know what to do nung pag wala si Bolik. And that's something that should not happen if you have a Kevin Alas, if you have a Cyrus Torres, if you have a JV
actually,
Mocon. This team is talented. You won't get the number 2 seed. They had the contention for number 1, diba? If
yeah.
triple tie, if for nothing. So, to be that reliant to Robert Bolick this early in the playoffs. Okay na yung deep in the playoffs eh, 'di ba? Talagang kumbaga sa volleyball,
Pagod.
puporsyento ka na. But ito, quarterfinals, and you don't know what to do without him on the floor. You can survive 3 minutes without him on the floor.
Dagdag ko rin
It's
dyan, no?
crazy.
Hindi ako agree na 1 for 6. Cyrus Torres shouldn't be shooting only 6 times in this
Yeah,
game.
that's true.
Considering he's
That's
been your
true.
second option throughout this whole season. So I think
But
it
I
kind of
think that was a
disrupt.
Cyrus problem, bro.
That's a Cyrus
think that-
problem. He was passing it up. Feel mo.
Yeah, this is what I said, remember? I said NLEX is better than Ross, but NLEX has no experience at all in these playoff moments.
Wala pa
Right?
nga.
And medyo kita mo ngayon na Cyrus was like, I don't know what to do right now. You needed Cyrus to step up. He did not step up. That's how it goes. But he will learn from this and he will
He
become
will
a
learn.
monster.
He's a rookie.
Do you know
He's
in
a
these
rookie.
moments, do you know in those moments who NLEX who would have been great for NLEX?
Ano?
Basera Mer.
Kiefer, Isaac
Ano?
Ravena. Yeah, he would have done it for them. Three times na ano, well, Baser Amer too. 3 times
Amer. No,
in their
Mario.
history, they
Not
got
Baser
the
Amer.
tries to beat at the twice to beat advantage. They blew it twice. The only time they advanced was against Alaska during Alaska's farewell conference. So, I think Nico, we Mario and I deserve the right to doubt NLEX until they prove us otherwise.
Yeah, I know.
Even when
I agree. Like, matagal alam ni Mario na hindi naman ako blind sa fact na this has been a
Yeah.
problem for the past 2 years. Even with Coach Frankie Lim, it didn't change ngayon. Sadly, it didn't change with Coach Jong. Maybe for now. Hopefully, di ba? Hopefully, kasi Cyrus will continue to get better. Brandon Ramirez will continue to get better as well. He was playing great a while ago.
Let's talk about Brandon Ramirez.
Galing ni Brandon Ramirez kanina.
I love Brandon Ramirez, bro. This man is insane.
Galing
Post
ni
up
Brandon Ramirez
against
kanina.
anybody po. Kaya niya, man. I was so
At
hyped up.
yung footwork, di
Bro,
ba?
ang
Linis.
lupit ng footwork, ang linis, man. Swabe siya gumalaw.
Malinis.
He's a big man. You know what I mean? Like, he bumping and bumping, man.
And
I
he's
love it.
slashing from the 3-point line. So talagang,
Yeah,
siya.
he had a few tough finishes, and I was like, yo,
Hmm.
what do you think you are? And then he made it, and I was like, okay, you're probably a fucking animal. But again, I do agree with Graham. Kevin Alas was supposed to be that guy.
He was supposed to be that,
Right?
secondary guy.
Well,
Wala naman tayong magagawa, guys.
wala
He's
na.
an-
Alam mo, if after the conference, pagtapos iangat ng champion yung trophy, what Ginebra needs to do, call NLEX, trade for Brandon Ramirez, send in
Uy, uy, uy,
Isaac
uy,
Book,
uy, uy. Hindi papayag,
uh,
hindi
Jason
papayag yung
David,
MVP
and
camp niyan.
si um,
Juan
Aljun
Besson,
Mariano.
Aldon.
Yeah. Send them in. Make the call. Make the call.
Hindi papayag si MVP niyan. First of all, you're not TNT. Eh. So, yun doon sasabihin ni MVP.
That's
Hindi
true.
ba to si Ricky Vargas na ba?
Hey, man.
That's true.
Basta for me, I know the moment Kelly Williams retires, lilipat si Brandon, man.
Si
Like, ay,
Brandon Ramirez.
Oh,
Brandon,
yes.
Dalawa na silang
everything.
Brandon ng NLEX, Brandon Vinuelas Roser at Brandon
Oh, oo
Ramirez
nga, no?
namin.
Ganun, yung dalawang yan bumabangga sa inyo. Good luck, gago.
Pero si
Yeah.
actually BGR could be a good matchup nga for SMB, no? Umabot sila sa finals. He could be a good body to at least just make life a bit tough on
There's someone in Ross who
Junmar.
can guard BGR.
Honestly, out of everybody left
BGR's
in
the
the
best.
playoff, I
BGR's
think
the best.
BJ has the best chance of defending Junmar.
Against Junmar.
Yeah.
Pero teka lang, huwag
True.
natin paunahan. May binebra nyo pa. Pinaunahan na natin. Sasabi lang natin.
Well, I was about to say, are we gonna transition to that? But one thing
We
before
have
we
a separate episode
transition
for
to
that.
our...
We have a separate episode for that. Sayang yung ano natin.
Okay, cool. No, I was just about to say, do we have someone in Ross who can defend BGR or even si Poy? Is Belga active? I don't think so.
Wait lang. I'm looking at
Christian Porter.
Bro, do you see how Christian
Christian-
Porter was trying to change? Christian Porter was ahead of Semerad, di ba? Semerad got the ball back in the half court. Binilisan ni Semerad, di ba? Alam niyo ba yun? Yung fast break na yun? Siguro,
Uy,
Yeah.
napansin niyo ba? If Datu did
Oh.
not play in the series.
Keep that. No, he played, no, game
Yeah,
one.
but I
He
mean,
played
he barely played. That's what I mean.
sa game 2,
barely
6 minutes lang. 6 minutes lang sa game
Bro.
2, yeah.
This is Keith Datu, huh? Like,
Yeah, he's the guy. He's
No,
the guy that
Malonzo
can.
showed up. Mike Malonzo was the magic bonus. So,
Yeah.
Keith Datu had
my
to.
point is,
Oo.
it's kind of surprising for Keith Datu to only be playing 7 minutes. But we have to shout out, or I want to shout out incredibly. Santi Tantillan has had a good 2 games, guys.
Galing. Yeah, Santi was great.
The
Yeah,
problem with him has always been inconsistency, di ba?
I agree.
With Santillan.
Yeah.
But
Always
2
been
games,
even DSU.
and Clarito, bro, grabe,
Oh.
he did not have a 2020, but the impact was there. I was watching on RPTV, talagang grabe yung mga bigay ni Magu sa kanya when he gets those rebounds. And there was a stretch in the fourth na parang 3-4 possessions na nasa kanila lang yung ball because of Clarito and Tiongson, di ba?
Yep,
So
exactly.
this will be great against and bro, I have so much love for Coach Chenga. I don't know how he does this. Put those other players in other teams, they will not blemish.
Yeah.
Flourish rather. But with coaching, he is a magician, man. He's the master.
Yeah, and I like this one comment. Somebody commented last time on the video. He said na not all PBA superstars can be found in the NCAA and the UAAP. And that is the most on-point thing with
Galing.
John Ard Clarito.
Yeah, si Jordan Clarito nga.
If you tell me you knew who John Ard Clarito was before he entered the PBA, I'm gonna call you a fucking liar, man. That's bullshit.
Duba.
Because man,
That's
you
right.
only knew this man when he got to Ross, and he's proven himself right now. It's kind of wild how much he's proven himself. And I want to add, Adrian Nocum had a bad game today.
Oh, he
But
had an
yet,
aspect class.
Ross
a
won
candidate for
convincingly.
he's a candidate for the Unmissy Player of the Game.
He was close. He was
Apog.
close.
Our Apog.
He was close, man.
Yung Apog
He was
natin.
close.
Pero wala, panalo sila. We cannot, yeah. Pag-weekend natin siya. Panalo sila eh. So,
Bro, he was playing quite bad today, and they still won the game.
Imagine if
Not to like preempt the video or whenever we record the semis preview, which I think might be done I don't know, tomorrow or Monday.
We,
I'm not
we
really.
are we might do it tomorrow or Monday.
Yeah, one of the two.
Yeah.
But these two semifinal series feel the most important in a long while. For me, they feel so heavy for
I
the
wish, the
side.
only thing I wish is sana yung dalawang SMC teams naghiwalay.
I agree. I
Like,
agree.
walang sister teams na nagarap sa semis.
Yung
Like, one
TV mo
independent,
namatay.
one MVP.
Pinatay mo ba yan or
Yeah,
namatay na
I
pinatay ko
guess
na,
mag-isa?
I
the game
Pinatay mo na?
has ended. But yeah, no, if these four teams, if binalasa mo, wala kang talong matchup, SMB Ross, Ginebra TNT, or however you wanna spin it. Sana hindi na nagarap agad yung SMB and Ginebra, to avoid any backlash from the fans. But this will be amazing. It's sad na wala tayong tickets for the games. We have to
You
spend
have
our
to
hard-earned money for
Yeah, that's the
for
only
for that.
reason me and Graham were gonna root for NLEX.
Yeah,
para may
that's
free tickets.
Just so we're clear.
that's right. That's
Yeah.
right. But it is what it is. And
Yeah.
congrats to TNT
Congrats to
Congrats
and
both teams,
to
bro.
yeah,
TNT
congrats to
and
TNT
Ross.
and Ross.
Yeah.
that's right. And Coach Tito, time to update that resume, my man.
Before we go, I just wanna shout out. He literally messaged me right before we recorded. So
Sino to?
shout out my friend Heinz. Um, he's been a Magnolia fan for the longest time, and he messaged me. He was like, "Bro, please, I'm so tired na." Yeah, I see it. I understand, bro.
I'm so
Medyo,
tired na.
Eh, alam nyo, kayong Magnolia fans, one last thing and then we can go.
O ikaw,
You
closet
guys have
Magnolia fan
only
ka eh.
you guys have only been here for 7 years. And pumapasok kayo sa finals. Kami ni Mario,
Nang-away na.
naranasan
Nang-away na.
naming maging 8th seed na one game lang in the playoffs, tatambakan ng Petron Blaze Boosters.
Petron Blaze
We we
Boosters.
experienced being ousted by Polly and Rain or Shine when he still was showing up in big games. Bro, wag nga kayong magreklamo. Nanalo na nga kayo ng Grand Slam eh.
diba, Graham, they weren't here for the Chris Ellis days. They,
Uy,
When,
ano to? Air Ellis ba tawag sa kanya? Ano
they
bang
weren't here
nickname
for
niya?
the
yes,
air.
you weren't
Air
here
Ellis?
when That's right. You weren't here when Chris Ellis and Keith Jensen were supposed to be the
Oh my
savior.
gosh,
You
Keith
weren't here when
Jensen.
you weren't here when Dylan Ababu and Alain Maliksi get injured from time to time. You
Oh,
weren't here
Maliksi
when
pala
Rob
was
Labaga.
Sinebra. I forgot about that. He
Yes,
was
you
Sinebra.
weren't here when Rob Labagala, John Wilson, Jimbo Aquino were supposed to be the next ones. Wag na
Guys, you guys weren't there when Mark Kagiwa was shooting 3 for 20 and we were
That's
still going, Ginebra.
that's right. You weren't here. You weren't there when our import was Herbert Hill na hindi makagalaw, bulok ata yung
Herbert
tuhod.
Hill.
Grabe.
Wow.
That guy
I don't
Herbert. Grabe, Ration Turner. Guys, we had generational trauma. So please allow me
Hala.
to
he's so
finally,
tired.
Hala.
He's so tired, guys.
I'm just
Hala.
so tired pretending to love
Polly.
wearing this jersey.
Sorry, Paul.
Please, Magnolia fans, please,
Thank you,
don't
Indiana, by the
even,
way, for making Graham. Guys, yung
Hey,
mga ngayon na
guys.
nakakanood ng
Oh,
podcast, sinuot ni Graham tong Poly jersey kasi natalo siya sa bet namin na if Indiana wins at least 2 games, he has to buy a Poly Magnolia jersey. Pero Hinebra fan siya. Kung hindi clear, kung hindi pa rin clear hanggang ngayon.
yeah. If it wasn't clear by the background
Oh,
video, by the
yung mga random
comment,
comments niya na pinag-uusapan,
Ginebra
NLEX
fan siya.
Rose.
Yeah.
Oh,
you'll
May
be
anyway.
isang mga nag-wait.
surprised.
Alam mo ba, may isang nag-comment, sabi niya sa akin, hater ako ng Ginebra. Medyo,
Hmm.
maybe
Yeah,
compared to Graham.
you better start listening, man. But boy, you'll be
Hindi ka
surprised
nakikinig sa podcast, my
with my
guy.
semis picks. You'll be surprised with my semis picks, and I'm
Okay.
not doing that for the clicks. But we'll do
Eh,
that some other
I'm
time.
wait, I just want to add this one more thing. So I don't have to buy an NLEX jersey because
You
NLEX
don't,
didn't.
you don't have to
I
buy.
do
You
not,
don't have
but
to
I
buy.
also have a bet ready for the semis series.
Ano ba? Ano
So
ba?
Wow,
Ano
the
ba? Ano,
bets
ano?
keep on coming, huh?
Ano?
me, I'm saying if TNT wins in less than 5 games, if TNT wins in less than 5 games, I will wear a TNT jersey. I'll do it.
Anong jersey? Anong gusto mo?
Oh yeah.
De,
Eram!
Enciso. Harap ka ng, ay,
Eram
Eram
ako!
ba?
Bro,
Eram!
they're not
Sige,
producing
Eram,
NCSA
Eram.
jerseys, bro.
Di,
Nobody
Mario,
makes
Mario.
NCSA jerseys.
Di ba si Eram when he passed by sa back entrance? Si
That's
Boy
why I
Eram
ran
yung
away.
nakakasalubog natin.
That's why I ran away kasi kala ko bubugbugin niya ako eh. Sabi ko, oh
Wala,
shit.
okay lang siya.
The,
Buti
al-
may nagpa-picture sa kanya eh, no? May
Ah,
nagpa-picture sa kanya na fan eh.
ano?
Kami ni Mario,
alam
dalag
mo,
mo sa gilid agad.
alam mo si Mario, if he let these intrusive thoughts win that day, gaganunin niya si Aram.
Tickets. Hindi ko
Sasaktan
po kilala
ganun.
yan. May, may problema yan eh. Hindi ko po kilala yan. Sorry.
Hindi ko
Sorry po,
alam.
Edlex ako eh. Ewan ko yan.
But
Nung nakita ko
seriously,
si Boy, ang bilis ko. Ang bilis ko
Binilisan mo ba?
maglago. Ang
but
bilis.
seriously guys, I'm happy that he's developing bit by bit. Hindi na siya. But siguro hindi pa niya nakakaharap ulit yung Hinebra crowd.
Wala pa tayo dun. Wala
But
pa tayo dun.
well,
Maaga
yeah,
pa. Huwag mo muna sabihin yan.
the Magnolia crowd is and what by the way, we keep on saying one last thing. Bro, this is a do or die Saturday game. Hindi mo na puno yung Ninoy Aquino Stadium. I get it na umuulan, but
Malakas na lago-ulan bro. Talaga
the
nagbabaha
fans
in
the fans
Manila.
did not show up. You think
Hindi,
Ginebra
Feel ko
fans will
talaga
be stopped?
nagbabaha talaga.
You think
Medyo
Ginebra
malala ang
fans will
baha.
be stopped by the flood?
ano ka ba? Hinebra
No,
fans,
Ano yun?
magbabangka pa yun.
lulusong yan, men.
That's what I'm saying.
Like that. Wait lang. Pinaka-last. Shit. Nakalimutan ko yung gusto ko sabihin. Oh, damn. I forgot what I wanted to say. Okay, I got nothing to say. I'm done. I forgot.
Ito na sa akin. Guys, we have a semifinals preview episode on Monday, so abangan nyo yun. We are going to discuss. So there's gonna be two uploads. One is the Inebra SMB series, and then the other one is the TNT Raw series. So Sara, abangan nyo yun. Abangan nyo yun on Monday. This is the 6-month podcast. Follow 5-star rating on Spotify. Like, comment, subscribe on YouTube. Nico here with Mario and Graham. See you all next time.
Adios, amigos.